Hi everyone, I'm Said from InfoSecTube. Today I'm here for introducing some tools for hackers that leverage the AI. Uh, I mean, most of them leverage the LLMs such as the ChatGPT. So let's go deep down to introducing these tools and how you can use it. The first one is uh, SecGPT. It's offline version. You can search it on the GitHub and find it. It's inspired by the AutoGPT. It's based on the ChatGPT 4, and it can be used for the red and blue teams, city of competition, and other aspects. Um, this is very easy to install it. You can use it Git and pipe to install the requirement and use it. It's very good, but it's a little bit old. But and you should use it on your own system. But you can try it. It's a good step to start. The next one is GhostGPT. Is a new cybercrime AI that used by hackers. It introduced in 2025. It's very new. Uh, Mostly it's used for the black hat, and it's used for the cybercrime. And because of that, I cannot public the links or how to use it. But if you search about it, you can find a way to use it. Um, Next one is Dark GPT. It's very similar the uh, GPT based for the coding stuff without the limitation. You can use it in the GitHub base. Next one is the PentestGPT. I like this version. It's more up to date for 4 months ago. It's used for the GPT for the pentest approaches. It's based on the GPT-4 and GPT 3.0, 3.5. You can easily install it with the pipe and use it like for example, using the model GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4, or something like this. And you can using the reasoning model, and you can using the OpenAI API key for more leverage these tools. It's somehow the academic base, but it's very good. Uh, most practical things are the uh, first I will show you the very short demo of the Pentest GPT. As you can see, it's very easy to install. You can use it, for example, how to uh, check the open port for the one of the IP for the hack the box. And for example, they suggest to use such as tools or Nessus or OpenVAS. For example, he asked about how to use the Nmap first, and GPT is get the command for how to access the Nmap for this. It's very good for the basic stuffs and for the beginner person to deep dive to go to the cybersecurity things. But I like the EvilGPT more than others. You can use it on the POA.com EvilGPT. Uh, it's very good because It's free. It's you don't need to install anything to use it, and it is very very accurate and good in terms of the helping you in the daily task. For example, I want to uh, scan the network with Nmap or Recon. Which command should I use? As you can see, give you the exact command, and beside that, it gives you the speak version from the 11 labs. For example, you can ask another question. How can I check the CCTV IP camera? Uh, which tool do you recommend? For example, it's recommend the Metasploit Showdown or Angry IP. Uh, give me the door for finding the CCTV camera in Showdown in, for example, Iran. For example, you can see it can give you the dork for the Showdown. Uh, it's very good. Uh, and you can use it for legal or illegal stuffs. I think for now it's okay. Also, we have another LLM based and free tools for doing for leveraging the AI and ChatGPT based tool without the limitation. But before that, I recommend to use the EvilGPT. And if you have any question, just comment on the comment section of our channel, InfoSecTube, and like and subscribe our channel to motivate us to create more video about cybersecurity and new technology. So have a great day. Bye bye.